Hey, what's happening, guys? This is Edgar from BYOL, Bring Your Own Laptop, and I'm here to show you how to achieve Frank Miller's Sin City look. It's a film noir, so everything's all black and white, but in the case with Frank Miller's Sin City, we're going to isolate a particular color. In this case, we're going to isolate this woman's eyes. Everything else is going to be black and white, but her eyes will remain in color, this nice blue color. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. All right, let's get started. So first things first, what you want to do is go to the Effects tab over here, do a search for Lumetri Color. And see it right here. Click on that and then drag it all the way down to the timeline over the footage. All right, so the next thing you want to do is go to Effect Controls over here, and you should see Lumetri Color down here. Just click on Curves. And there's all these options that you can use to basically achieve the look that you want. In this particular case, what we want is Hue versus Saturation Selector. Click on this eyedropper tool right here. Click on our eye. And you should notice these three dots have appeared down below in this graph. Basically, the next thing you want to do is hold the Shift button and then click on one of these dots, the outermost dot specifically. Click and drag it all the way down. Same thing for the other outermost dot. Click, drag it down. Now, you could say you're pretty much done. You can call it a day. Looks pretty good. I mean, if this is the look that you want, great. There is a little bit of extra step that we can go here. Notice how the background is still somewhat blue. Again, if you're fine with this, that's cool. But if you also want to get rid of this, there's the next step. You want to go all the way down here. And where it says right here, Saturation versus Saturation Selector. Click on the eyedrop tool, click on the blue background, and there's these two dots. Same thing, hold the Shift button, and click, hold, drag down the outermost dot. And boom, there you go. So now you have a black and white background, a black and white face, and the only color is basically her eyes. I do have to warn you though, that what I did basically affected her eyes as well. Notice how there's like some I guess desaturation going on here. You know, not a big issue. Again, this is just a simple tutorial with time and patience and trial and error. You can basically perfect this so it doesn't affect the eyes. Personally, what I would think is maybe mask her iris, her eyes basically. So that way the eyes don't get affected when you're doing any of these changes over here. But again, just for the purposes of this video, this is a quick and easy way of achieving Frank Miller's Sin City look. And so if we hit the play button right now, you know, not too bad, right? I mean, again, there's a little desaturation going on with the eyes, but again, if you isolated that, it wouldn't have been affected. For the most part, she does retain her blue eye color, and everything else is black and white. So there you go, folks. That's how you achieve Frank Miller's Sin City look. You could probably do the same thing with her lips. You know, if you want to isolate the lips and make that red, whereas everything else is black and white, you can do that as well. Basically the same technique that I just showed you. All you would have to do though is click on the lips instead of the eyes. And yeah, there you go. All right, good luck. Have fun, guys, and see you in the next one.